A 4-year-old boy with autism drowned in a retention pond. We brought this story to you as breaking news last night at 11. And tonight, we're focusing on a growing concern about the safety of retention ponds. Our Sydney Deshawn is on your side, joining us now with more on what's being done to prevent further tragedies. Sydney?
Yeah, I'm here at one of Jacksonville's many retention ponds. They can pose a significant risk, especially to children. Community leaders and advocates are now pushing for more safety measures, and they're united by the same message, and that's that one death is too many. Retention ponds are a common sight in Jacksonville, with dangers often underestimated.
They're not bodies of water to swim in.
Tuesday night, a family experienced the loss of their 4-year-old boy with autism when he was found in a retention pond in the Bay Meadows area of Jacksonville. Paul DeMillo, president of the Just Against Children Drowning organization, knows this pain all too well.
By far the worst day of my life.
Both of his twin sons drowned, and he has since dedicated his life to preventing tragedies.
There's no season for drowning.
Drowning is the #1 cause of death among children with autism.
The drowning rate for those people that have autism is 160 times higher than the rate of their peers who are typically developing. So this particular population is very at risk.
A topic City Council member Jacoby Pittman has been vocal about for years.
The issue and problem was that most of the drownings were happening on private property, which the city, didn't have any oversight of that.
City council members have talked about funding for billboards and social media campaigns in the past. Pittman is calling on the public's help and says more needs to be done.
My request or solicitation to the community would be, once we get this started again, we need funding. I would love to have $500,000 to $1 million.
Whether that's putting up signs and barriers, a monitoring device inside a home, or working with apartment complexes.
We want to be proactive and not reactive.
To prevent drownings, the National Drowning Prevention Alliance says there are 5 layers of protection: barriers and alarms, parent supervision, water competency, life jackets, emergency preparedness, tips that can all save a life.
We talked to them about holding a hand when you're crossing the street or in a parking lot, looking both ways before you cross the street. Don't touch a hot stove, but we don't talk about water safety at the earliest of ages when we're really forming those better, safer behaviors.
Now, Pittman says City Council is preparing to start working on the budget, so she will make sure there are available dollars to help further this campaign. Reporting live in Jacksonville, Sydney Deshawn, First Coast News, on your side.